other robot brand cannot well do this type of welding application. It's hard for them, especially on square, special-shaped workpieces welding. QJAR robot can well do this type of hard application through its controller's unique algorithm technology. The robot can synergistically work with positioner to solve the situation that workpiece is with special shape and large difference in welding seams and realize the stable welding on straight line, circle, corner, etc. The characteristics of QJAR robot are fast, accurate, and stable. If these highly difficult workpieces are manually welded, the welding effect is not as good as robot welding. We solved the welding product quality and labor cost, especially for welding some highly difficult mufflers from cars and motorcycles. This is the introduction of the Smart Fence system. The system consists of QJAR robot, positioner, and tooling fixtures. The Smart Fence robotic welding system is independently developed by QJAR, the only China manufacturer who can offer Smart Fence robot welding working process software now. First, record the first position of the robot welding gun on the fence. The rest of the positions will be automatically generated through the Smart Fence welding system. Automatically generate welding trajectory to realize fully automated fence welding. This fence welding system technology can be well applied in a lot of specialized industries, including traffic fences, carriage fences, livestock fences, elevators, ladder products, etc. This can greatly save labor costs and improve production efficiency. System features: the intelligent fence system adheres to the concept of efficient programming. It has the function of automatic generation of robot welding trajectory, dynamic modification of robot trajectory, parameterization of welding programming, and welding expert library, which makes welding more flexible in operation and guarantee the quality of fence welding. At the same time, the system application can also be expanded to other industries' product welding. It's aimed at welding fences such as livestock fences, carriage boards, elevators, ladders, and traffic fences. Here are some system demonstration operations. Now it is creating a new program. In the program here, we have created an initial location point. Next, we will see that here is a quick interface change for generating the program. Here is a rough layout diagram of the points. Then the program file is generated. Open the file and normal operation can be carried out. We, EVS, offer industrial robots and other robotic automation-related devices, services. We build up a convenient and reliable one-stop purchasing platform for industrial robotic automation-related equipment. We, EVS, is the sole legally authorized general distributor for QJAR robots for its global market. If you are interested in using QJAR robot, contact us quickly. We are looking for service center distributors globally. If you are a final user factory customer, welcome to contact us for robotic automation support. Our principle: offer reliable automation products, services, and bring value to clients. This channel is mainly sharing knowledge and stories on robotic automation. If you like our Hello, this is Eve's Tech. This time we will make a deeper introduction to QJAR Robot. Our QJAR Robot is a wholly owned subsidiary of ASD Group, which is a big company in the stock market. QJAR Robot, the top big robot company in China, it has the ability to offer lifelong service support, and it has the existing big 5,000 units per year production capacity factory with more than $90 million investment. And QJAR's another newly larger 20,000 units per year production capacity factory is under construction with $83 million investment. ASD Group invested $188 million to build an intelligent factory with 500 QJAR robots with a lot of robotic applications put into real productions. And with a big research and development team, QJAR Robot is able to solve problems soon with more than 200 technical engineers and more than 50 research and development engineers. total workers more than 300. The complete robot is totally developed by QJAR itself, including controller, mechanical structure, etc. When need to solve certain problems, QJAR robot can have fast feedback. QJAR has been working on robots since 2010. In 2013, QJAR Robot Company was officially established. It is more than 10 years old now. We focus on manufacturing of robot body and core parts, especially the controller of QJAR. QJAR has developed and completed the core products with the complete QJAR intellectual property rights in cooperation with the team from Harbin Engineering University, the top robot technology team in China. QJAR Robot R&D Center was established in Shanghai, China, and we also built Intelligent Valley in Shanghai. QJAR Robot is manufacturer with the most complete product series in China. Our products are ranging from 3 kg payload to 800 kg payload. We have very special products in different subdivision fields. For example, welding, handling, polishing, grinding, deburring. We have specific product solutions for these series of applications with many years of product application experience. Our welding robot is the designated products by National Ministry of Education's China Welding Cup competition. And in this competition, the top 7 ranking competitors are all using QJAR robots. This fully reflects the technical strength of QJAR robot. QJAR started robot research and development since 2010. QJAR is the most famous brand on welding robot comparing with other China robot brand. QJAR has special corresponding technical solution for a lot of different welding subdivision field. And our QJAR welding robot is the first robot product applied in large quantities in China market. Robots sold in the market have done welding work more than 20 hours a day. This is not done yet by other China robot manufacturers. Our painting robot, which has passed explosion-proof certification in China, has many subdivisions technical products in this field. And in the polishing and deburring industry, our corresponding robot's protection level is very high, reaching IP65 or above. So in the poor environment of dust, fog, etc., our robots have high protection level. We have special application software package. For example, the soft floating robot function in die casting industry is the unique function of QJAR robot, and other China robots doesn't have this function at all. QJAR robot are aiming to have all the functions of famous international brands. In many subdivisions, QJAR robot has special technical solutions. The goal of QJAR robot is to become a famous brand in the world. QJAR is not seeing other normal China robot brands as its same level competitors. QJAR's real benchmarking competitors are the global famous brands like ABB, Fanuc, Kuka, Yaskawa. What you see is the most widely used robot application, which is the welding on frames of bicycles, battery cars, motorcycles, and other frames. The workstation consists of QJAR robot, welding system, head-to-tail positioner, and tooling fixtures. The welding includes a lot of welding processes such as fish scale welding. In the case of this workstation, the robot's motion trajectory is circle welding of large poster and small line segments, and intersecting line welding. The positioner and the robot work together to improve work efficiency and save costs. Some complex working conditions can be completed according to actual production and welding process requirements. It can be applied in some practical projects such as fences and transformers robotic welding projects. Keywords of this workstation characteristics: large poster small circle welding, fish scale welding, multi-section small circle welding, intersecting line welding, robot quick start, quick stop. It mainly reflects the robot's fast, accurate, stable features and high production efficiency. This robot can cooperate with the positioner, and we have the continuous spot welding function and the special fish scale welding for bicycles. You can see the demonstration welding effect. The welding seam is very beautiful, like fish scales, which can increase the rigidity and strength of the weld. Look at this effect. This robot is matching with a low spatter welding machine. You can see the flying spatter of the welding is very small and the welding effect is beautiful. Actually, in a lot of cases, after the ordinary welding is completed, the customer still needs a second grinding and polishing because there are a lot of spatter particles on it. The workpiece welded in this workstation is very smooth, and there is no need for a second grinding, and it can save customers a lot of labor costs. This is about welding the frame structures. QJAR robot is the earliest robot applied to the frame structure robotic welding industry in China. Because QJAR robot was originally a subsidiary of Chenzhou Motorcycle Company. Chenzhou Motorcycle has many needs for welding frame structures and other related parts. Chenzhou Motorcycle uses more than 80 QJAR robots to the entire production line. Actually, the largest manufacturer of frame structures in Guangdong, China, also uses QJAR robots in large quantities for all their robotic welding projects. And our robots are completely comparable to other international famous robots. This is a very widely used application in construction machinery industry, welding of steel structure medium and thick plates. This type of welding is very widely used in construction machinery industry for medium and thick steel structure welding. This steel structure welding station is composed of QJAR welding robot, head-to-tail positioner, welding fixture, QJAR handling robot, handling fixture, and loading table. The situation of this workstation is that the handling robot climbs the workpiece from the loading table to the welding position. The arc welding robot spot welds the fixed workpiece, and the handling robot leaves the welding position. The arc welding robot cooperates with the positioner to complete the welding of the workpiece. The features of the product include dual robot collaborative operation, laser tracking technology, robot and external axis, synergistic working, head-to-tail positioner, application, welding demonstration in steel structure industry, and ground walking rail application. This workstation shows several technical highlights. First, these workpieces does not require manual loading and unloading. In our solution, robots are used to automatically load and unload, and then there is a robot for automatic welding. This robot also comes with laser tracking. That is, we equip the robot with a vision system, let the robot have eyes, so the robot can automatically identify and find the correct welding position. For steel construction machinery, the consistency of their workpieces is not very good, and the tolerances are relatively large. The laser tracking and position searching functions are applied here. It can automatically correct the welding track, and we also added a ground walking track to the robot. They are equivalent to adding eyes and feet to the robot, thereby realizing the robot's intelligence. There is also a small match system in this workstation. Based on this system, we can track its production in real time, follow up orders, production volumes, robot operation, energy consumption, and other data can be seen in this match system. In this way, this workstation is equivalent to a small smart factory or a smart workshop. An ASD uses 500 QJAR robots in its smart factory, with that a large control room uses a similar and more complex match system. And the brand operation center of all the factory is in the match system. This is also one of the difference between QJAR robot and other China robot manufacturers. We have a dedicated technical team in our research institute in Shanghai to develop these intelligent applications. This is the presentation about the construction machinery industry. This application introduced here is welding seam grinding. After robot welding, if it's using our normal welding machine, which has a lot of spatters, the next step is grinding to remove the spatters particles, especially door frame furniture welding. The next step after welding is grinding, and this workstation is to automate this step. After the surface grinding and polishing of the welded workpiece, there will be no spatter particles left. This workstation is composed of QJAR welding robot, robot control cabinet, positioner, grinding tool holder, force control strong grinder, grinding fixture. It is equipped with a floating grinding head, which can be automatically replaced after several grinding discs are used. The robot holds the tools with the positioner assists in the welding seam grinding. The robot end is equipped with a force-controlled spindle to realize the independent tool change. The grinding position, the angle position can be changed, and the teaching is convenient. The feature of this workstation is that the workpiece is clamped at one time and the front and back sides both can be polished. And it comes with a tool magazine to realize independent tool change. And the force-controlled spindle realizes multi-condition parameter setting, realize multi-stage torque settings in multi-step. This workstation's robot model type is QJAR B20-1. Major equipments include strength control electric strong grinder, U-shaped single-axe positioner. Features of this project: variable angle grinding, automatic changing tool, multi-working conditions and constant force grinding, contact force change range from 0 to 250 N, force control accuracy plus or minus 2 N. This robot is also equipped with a force sensor, and we can control the intensity of the polishing by ourselves, so we can perform a constant force control. It should not be that some parts grinding force is heavier and some parts grinding force is lighter, causing the polished product uneven and not smooth. So this is one of the technical solutions that we apply very intensively in the subdivision field. This one is especially largely used in furniture door frames industry. This is a workstation for welding mufflers which are using aluminum stainless steel materials. It's a high-level welding technology. Among the robots brand made in China, other robot brands cannot well do this type of welding application. It's hard for them, especially on square, special-shaped workpieces welding. QJAR robot can well do this type of hard application through its controller's unique algorithm technology. The robot can synergistically work with positioner to solve the situation that workpiece is with special shape and large difference in welding seams and realize the stable welding on straight line, circle, corner, etc. The characteristics of QJAR robot are fast, accurate, and stable. If these highly difficult workpieces are manually welded, the welding effect is not as good as robot welding. We solved the welding product quality and labor cost, especially for welding some highly difficult mufflers from cars and motorcycles.